Hey there guys, it's Tina and I am back and I am here with a very late BoxyCharm unboxing video. And I almost didn't bother recording this video because it's so late in the month right now. You've already seen all these BoxyCharm unboxing videos, so mine is like null and void at this point. But a couple of you have been leaving comments asking where the BoxyCharm unboxing videos are, so it's obvious that some of you enjoy these videos. Even though they don't get tons of views, I still want to do these videos for those of you who like watching them, since I do like getting my BoxyCharm boxes and I do like unboxing them with you guys. However, there is a better twist to this video because there is going to be a giveaway. So you already know I signed, if you've watched these videos before, but in case you haven't, and just catch everybody up, I've signed up for BoxyCharm for the last few months now, and I've been doing my unboxing videos. BoxyCharm reached out to me and actually offered to send me boxes now. So I've been receiving the boxes from BoxyCharm directly for the last couple of months, like last 2-3 months, in addition to receiving my own box. So I have an extra box for you guys this month. I already gave away the other boxes, to be honest. I went through them and gave away some of them. But for this month, I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. So I will leave all the details down below. Like I normally do my giveaways, I do them in a Google form so that whoever wants to enter can enter rather than doing like a random giveaway. Whoever wants to win this box, just click below in the description box, fill out the form, and we'll go from there. So I want to give myself some time. So I'm going to say the giveaway is going to end on the 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will close the giveaway at that point and then select the winner and contact them. So if you want to enter again, click the description box below. But this month we're going to go through the goodies that they sent in this box. Okay, this is your box, guys, and this is my actual box. Now, I've actually swatched these products and I've tried them out and all that good stuff already. So I kind of have an idea of what I think about the products. Now, in the boxes they send to influencers, they sent a different pamphlet with the details on the products included. This is not the same leaflet you guys get or I get in my other boxes. So we're going to run through these things really quick. So this is the July box and the theme is road tripping. So this is all about the summer road tripping. And I'll do my August box if you guys want to see that. Once I get that in, then I'll do that video as well. Pretty close to this one, so you'll probably see these videos pretty close together. But the first product is a Dr. Brandt product, and BoxyCharm has been including a lot of Dr. Brandt products in their boxes, and I do like Dr. Brandt as a skincare brand, so I'm very happy to see products like this, and they tend to be full size too, and these are pricey little things, so yeah, it's good to include these. So this is the No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is for your under eye area. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to beautiful rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Okay, so this retails for $42 and it contains 0.5 ounce of product, which is a decent amount of product, especially when it comes to like an under eye product. It has a little bit of a orangey tint or peachy tint to it, and it comes out like a puffy mousse, but it applies like a dry gel. So you blend it in, there's no real residue left behind, and it leaves behind somewhat of like a matte finish. So if you have dry under eyes, be careful with it. I like it because it works as a great under eye primer for concealer. But, and however, I don't quite know about the depuffing business because I don't have puffy under eyes, so I can't vouch for that. Then the next thing they have in here is an eyeshadow palette, and they've been including eyeshadow palettes a lot. The last one we got was from Alamar Cosmetics. I should pull that out and share with you guys, right? So since I haven't done these videos in a while, I have a couple of palettes to share with you from previous months, and I'll share my thoughts with you. So we have the BoxyCharm and Pure Cosmetics palette. So they actually did a trip with beauty influencers to release this palette. So this palette is available on the Pure website. I believe it's also available at Kohl's and via BoxyCharm. So it's a neutral palette with peachy tones, like peachy warm tones, and a pop of blue and like a purple. They did a whole setup for this. And this palette, it's decent, but it's not like blow me out the water. It's so fantastic. A couple of the shades are really nice, but I don't think necessarily this is the ultimate eyeshadow formula that Pure has available, so it's alright. It was not my favorite palette from them. And then the other palette that they released last month was that Alamar palette that I was talking about. So this is a new release. It's from a Cuban influencer, and I think she's friends with Kathleen Lights. I heard about her palette from Kathleen Lights right before I unsubscribed. We won't get into that, but Kathleen Lights did a video about this palette, and then I saw it show up in BoxyCharm, and I'm like, hey Boxy. So this palette has 8 eyeshadows. Beautiful little palette. This is the first release from the brand, and I think they did a really good job. These are beautiful colors. Now this is how you do a neutral palette with pops of color. So you have a teal, a blue, orange, and you have the burgundy. There are 4 mattes, 4 shimmers. You have like wearable colors as well as pops of color, but the pops of color are more subtle, so it just works as a tropical palette. And the formulation on these are actually, it's really nice. So I really like this palette, and I love the colors that are in here, and they actually apply pretty nicely. So I'm interested to see what else comes out from this brand. And I think it was a good move for this brand to release their palette in BoxyCharm to get a little bit of exposure for them, in addition to being friends with Kathleen Lights. You know how that goes. But that palette was really nice. And then this palette for this month is this Crown palette. Now this is a warm tone palette, like warm tone. These are orangey, peachy tones, and a couple of bronzes. And there are 10 eyeshadows in this. 5 of them are matte. I like this palette as well, but it's the kind of palette where you're gonna get the same kind of look from this because the tones are so similar. Like there's not a ton of differentiation between the shades, so you're gonna just get a warm tone look similar to the Urban Decay Heat palette. It's just gonna be the same kind of look. If you're into these kinds of looks though, it's a pretty decent palette. And I love that they're equal amounts of mattes and equal amounts of shimmers, and they have like blend and transition shades. If you are really light, these transition shades are going to be a little bit deeper on you, but for medium skin, tan skin, these are perfect. For darker skin, I don't think these are necessarily richly pigmented enough to really show up on your skin. They're just going to give you like a lighter wash of color, so be mindful of that. But the shimmers are really nice. They're more of a subtle shimmer and not like a blinding metallic. So I like this palette, and this retails for $29.99, so $30, which is not horrendous for 10 shades. And in here you get a total of 0.71 ounces or 20 grams of product. So it's 0.07 ounces per eyeshadow, which is a large size eyeshadow. So you're getting tons of product in here. And the ingredients seem to be pretty basic. It's talc, mica, there's some mineral oil in here. So if you have mineral oil sensitivity, be careful with these. There's also red number 40 in here, which can cause some staining, and if you have very sensitive eyes, just be mindful. So it's very simple formulation, decent enough price. It could have been cheaper though, but that's a nice palette that they included. Now they also included this Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So this is like an all-in-one box where you get a eyeshadow palette, you get a mascara, you get a blush, and you get like an under eye product. So I like it's like all encompassing. Like you get a ton of product in here. So there are 5 full-size products. This one is $24. It says this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. So this is meant to volumize and curl your lashes, and apparently it's a glossy black. So it has the fiber type 1 that I really like, and it's a little curved. I like the look of this wand. I don't know how this necessarily applies yet. I've heard of Wonder Beauty before, so it's not some obscure brand. So I'm interested to see how this goes. Oh, it's a New York brand. I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna test this out. I'll give you my feedback in the next video to see how I like that. Then they included a blush from Note Cosmetics. It's a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This retails for, oh, that mascara retail for $24. That's a lot, because that's more expensive than Better Than Sex. So then it better be Better Than Sex, right? Because otherwise, then I'm not, what? $24? No, that's a lot. That's a lot. So it better be awesome. It also says it volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. If that is true, if there's like conditioning ingredients in there and it's also gentle, then it might be worth that price. But we'll get back to that in the upcoming video. So we have a blush here from Note Cosmetics. This is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It's designed to work for all skin types, it says. It's luminous, paraben free. It adds a natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness because it has argan oil, which argan oil is like a big thing these days for including in cosmetics. And apparently it's a good skin conditioning product, and it's acne fighting. So I'm happy with that. So this retails for $11.99. That is not a bad price for a blush, and it contains 0.19 ounce of product, which is a pretty decent amount. The shade I got is number 5 Desert Rose. It's the same shade that's in the giveaway box. And this blush is actually really nice. I love the subtle, like, it's not really rosy. I think it's more like I guess it's like a peachy terracotta to me. It's not necessarily a rosy shade at all. I like this. It's such a beautiful blush, and it feels very silky and smooth. This is like a beautiful everyday blush. And it has a little brush under here too, which I don't use, let's be real. But this is a really great blush, and I do like the shade a lot. So that one I'm actually very happy with. And then the last thing is an eyebrow cream from Cella Beauty. This retails for $26. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. And this says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. So this is an odd little thing. When I first got this, I was like, what the hell is this? So there's an angled brush on one end, right? And I'm like, all right, what am I supposed to do with that? You unscrew the other side, and there's like a little cream pomade type product in the cap, and then you work it through your brows. Now the product itself is not like a bad product at all, and the brush is actually pretty decent. This for me, all right, here's my thing. I was like, why would I want to do this with, what is this? And then I'm like, wait a minute, this is a road tripping kind of setup. This is great for travel. So you can toss this in your luggage, toss this in your purse. I actually toss this in my purse to bring to work. Have you ever had one of those days, you're feeling your brows, you're feeling cute, and then you either rub your eyebrows or you do something and there's just a patch? Or you missed a spot and you got in the car and you looked in the mirror and you're like, that's not cute. And so this is pretty handy for this. And it was like a eureka moment for me. I was like, duh, this is perfect for on the go. It's a little bit pricey, and you only get, let's see how much product you get in here. 0.06 ounces, not a lot. And the shade I have is Taupe, which actually works pretty good for my brow color. So if you have darker brow hairs, this is actually a good color. I really like this for travel, and initially I was like skeptical. I was like, what? It's really nice, and it's a creamy formula while still being dry, so it's not gonna like be too creamy on your brows at all. It actually works pretty nicely, so I do like this one quite a lot. So the products that I enjoy so far, love this for on the go travel, toss it in my purse. I'm good to go for brow situations. I like the Needles No Pore from Dr. Brandt. I mean, this is a really pricey product to include. The Crown palette, I like it. You know, like I like it okay. If you're into those shades, I can see you really liking that palette. But I'm like, I'm over the warm tones. You probably know that I love a cool tone eye. I'm more into cool tones. So, for me. The blush, I really like as well. And then for the mascara, I haven't tried this yet, so I'm not too sure how it, you know, how it is, like if it's great. But having a mascara is always good because you go through those so quickly that it's good to have a mascara included. Just don't include another one in the next box, Boxy. But overall, I really like this box because there are quite a few products in here that I really like. So I'm happy with this box. And hopefully you guys are interested in this giveaway. Again, it's down below in the description box. And if you like this video and you want to keep seeing the BoxyCharm videos, just let me know and I'll keep doing them, because again, I want to make sure that those of you who want to watch these videos, I'll put them out for you because they're easy and fun to film for me. So I will definitely keep doing them if you guys want me to. So enter the giveaway, follow me on Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff. I mean, really, it's just fill out the form and be a subscriber. That's all. I'm not doing too much for that giveaway. It's just I want to give back to you guys. So I have an extra box and that box can be yours. So if you like the video, hit thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe at the end of this video, or a couple of other videos that you might be interested in. So definitely check those out. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.